Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Yes.
Para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
That was a very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if
Yes.
I may say as a
It's not
civilian, sa
well,
professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
tayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that. Ma'am.
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr. Chair.
dumaan
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
tayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Let me-
kung pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
silence, please.
Osaa, silence the gallery.